In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell automatically in Coinbase by setting up a stop loss. Whether you're a seasoned crypto trader or just starting out, knowing how to protect your investments is crucial. Using stop loss orders is an excellent way to manage risk by automating your selling process, ensuring that you lock in profits or minimize losses. So let's dive right in and get you set up step by step. First things first, you need to open the Coinbase app on your device. If you haven't already downloaded it, make sure it's installed and updated to the latest version for optimal functionality. Next, switch to the advanced trade feature in Coinbase. This enhanced interface is specifically designed to offer more detailed control over your trading orders, allowing you to access different order types and various tools that regular trading doesn't offer. It may seem a bit complex initially, but don't worry. I'll guide you through it and it will be straightforward. Now once you're in the advanced trade section, you'll want to tap on trade. Then select sell from the available options. It's important to choose the type of order that best fits your strategy. Either a stop limit or a bracket order type. A stop limit order lets you define a price trigger, after which your asset will be put up for sale, while a bracket order simultaneously sets limits for both selling and profit capping. After you've selected your order type, enter the amount you wish to sell. Following that, you'll need to input the stop price, also known as the trigger price. This is crucial as it determines when your stop limit order will activate. Once the stop price is hit, your order will switch to the limit price, which is the execution price, at which your asset will actually be sold. Setting these parameters carefully can help navigate the often volatile price swings in the crypto market, ensuring that your position is managed according to your risk appetite. When you're satisfied with your inputs, go ahead and place the order. Coinbase will now monitor the market for you. As soon as the price hits your specified stop price, your assets will automatically be listed for sale at your limit price. This automation relieves you from constantly watching the market, allowing you to focus on other tasks, or simply enjoy peace of mind knowing your investment is protected. Finally, you should know that you have the flexibility to cancel this order at any point if you change your mind or market conditions shift dramatically. Simply navigate to the open orders section, and there you can manage or cancel any active orders. And that's it, you've set up a stop loss order on Coinbase. This tool is an invaluable part of your trading strategy, ensuring you maintain control even in a volatile market. Continue exploring and trading smartly to enhance your crypto journey. Thanks for watching today's tutorial, and happy trading.